Board mochung'ne taya gucho omenda madongo kuonde chung'od buche NG-CDF onyiso chir ma gin go ni doho mar apil biro golo ng'eto madoknegi kaluwore gi bura manokiro oko ng'eto mane doho mamalo golo ni NG-CDF ni e tok chik. Doho mamalo dwe mar 12 higa mokalo ne omiyo board mar NG-CDF nyaka dwe mar 6 higani mondo ne lure gi ng'eto mane doho rik osegolo. Kara kamano jakom mar board no Olago Aluoch gi jata tije maduong' e board no Yusuf Mbuno okoni gin kod chir ni doho mar apil biro golo ng'eto madoknegi kaluwore gi neno moro mane gipedho e doho mar dok ne tije mag NG-CDF kane gilose skund sekondari ma Karabondi BD eka chung'od bura ma Karachuonyo gikoni gin kod yore mamoko ma gibiro luwo e doho poni doho mar apil okiro bura no oko.
Alarm was 6.2 and we know average is 6.
Last year there was a High Court decision that gave CDF board up to June this year to wind up operations. I want to tell you, like I've been telling everyone that I know, who cares, listen. That judgment of the High Court was not based on law or evidence. That judgment was influenced very heavily by the Council of Governors, unfortunately. But I want to assure you, my board appealed against that High Court decision, and judgment is delivered on the 6th of February next month.
Na huo mgao umekuwa ukikua kila mwaka. Mwaka huu wa kifedha National Treasury tugawia bilioni 58.8 58.8 billion shillings. Hizo zimekuja kwa National Government CDF.
Case in point is what has been done in these 3 years with the CDF, and use a case study of your Mheshimiwa for the last 3 years, and how much he has been able to accomplish.
I'm saying what they give me is almost equal to those who have 20 schools, both secondary and primary. You can see how much lopsided this tangle is. I've been getting much less than what I deserve, producing out of that a lot more than what, if me, sometimes I wonder.